Welcome to your next step in your herbal journey. Today, we dive into identifying some of the most common herbs, an essential skill for any budding herbalist. Identifying herbs is an art rooted in observation. From the shape of leaves to the scent of blossoms, every detail holds meaning. Let's explore how to accurately recognize some foundational herbs. Chamomile, known for its soothing properties, is identified by its small, daisy-like flowers with white petals and yellow centers. The leaves are delicate and feathery. It grows close to the ground, preferring open fields and sunny spots. Chamomile is often confused with oxeye daisy. The key: chamomile's smaller size and softer scent. Its calming aroma is unmistakable. Turmeric, the golden root, thrives in tropical climates. It's identified by its broad green leaves and underground rhizome with bright orange flesh. While the root is prized for its culinary and medicinal use, the plant's lush leaves also hold cultural significance in many traditions. Lavender is a beloved herb, known for its fragrant purple spikes and gray-green foliage. It's resilient and thrives in well-drained, sunny environments. Its scent is both soothing and potent, often used in oils, teas, and balms for relaxation and skin health. Peppermint, with its cool and refreshing aroma, is identified by its deep green toothed leaves and square-shaped stem. A characteristic of mint family herbs. When crushed, peppermint releases an unmistakable minty scent, and its leaves are commonly used in teas, culinary dishes, and natural remedies. When identifying herbs in the wild, remember these tips. Observe leaf shape, feel the texture, notice the scent, and consider the environment where the herb is growing. Carry a field guide, take notes, and when in doubt, consult an expert. Respect for nature is at the core of herbalism. Mistaking herbs can lead to confusion or even harm. Learn the subtle differences: chamomile's scent, turmeric's root, lavender's woody stem and purple flowers. These clues are essential. Herbal identification is a journey of patience and curiosity. As you deepen your connection to plants, their stories will unfold. In the next lesson, we'll delve deeper into the art of sustainably harvesting these incredible gifts from nature, ensuring that our herbal practices honor both the earth and future generations.